Hello viewers, welcome to my Tech Updates official YouTube channel powered by technologyrss.com. Hello, in this tutorial how to install and secure phpMyAdmin on Ubuntu 25.04 server. I am checking server version and IP address. This is Ubuntu 25.04 and this is my IP address as like my Ubuntu version. Must be your server upgrade using apt update or apt upgrade command. Then install main package phpMyAdmin, phpMB string. Then press Y for continue for total download all packages and installation. If your server already install Apache, then select web server to reconfigure automatically, or it should be installed when running this command. Now press spacebar, then select Apache 2 and hit enter for reconfigure Apache web server. Now installing all packages into my server. Setting up PHP 8.4. This is latest version. Configure database for phpMyAdmin with dbconfig common. Press Y. And now MySQL application password for phpMyAdmin. Hit enter. Password confirmation. Hit enter for confirmation success. This is 0. All package installation done. Now access using sudo mysql and then check mysql user string, authentication string. Now user authentication string caching SSH a password by using password. Now access your IP address /phpMyAdmin. My IP address is coming phpMyAdmin, and now try login using root and this is password. Successfully login. Now secure this login system. Open this file. And insert this line, allow. Then save and exit, and then add .htaccess file, and then add all line into this file, then create password. This is for root user. You can use any username here. This is for secure password login. New password, retype password. Yes, password adding into this htaccess file, and then restart MySQL Apache web server. Now reload this page. Now again using different browser, then type root and my last adding password, then coming phpMyAdmin login, then login using this previous root password. This is successfully login. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please submit your valuable comments. Please subscribe my channel, like and share with others, and don't forget press the bell icon, get the first notification.